In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord server name. Let's get started right on your computer. Open Discord, either the desktop app or the version in your web browser. The process is the same in both. Once Discord is open, look over to the left sidebar, where all your servers live. Click the server you want to rename so it opens. If you're part of lots of communities, hover over the icons to see their names and pick the right one. At the top left of the server window, you'll see the server's name. Right next to it is a small down arrow. Click that arrow to open the main server menu. This menu is where you handle most server management tasks. From here, choose Server Settings. If you don't see Server Settings, it likely means you don't have the required permission to manage the server. You'll need the Manage Server permission or to be the server owner. If that option is missing, check with an admin to confirm your access. Inside Server Settings, you'll land on the Overview tab by default. This is the hub for basic server details, and near the top, you'll find the Server Name field. This is where you'll make your change. Click into the field to place your cursor, then delete the old name and type in the new one. Think about clarity and consistency when choosing a name. Keep it short, recognizable, and easy to search. You can use standard characters, and simple emojis also work if you want a touch of personality. Just avoid anything confusing or hard to read, and remember, there's a character limit, so concise is best. Take a moment to review your new name for spelling and readability. Consider how it will appear in the sidebar for your members and how it fits your community's vibe. When you're happy with it, look toward the bottom of the window for the Save Changes button. Click Save Changes to confirm. If you skip this step and back out, your new name won't stick, so make sure you press Save before leaving. That's it. The update takes effect immediately, and all members will see the new name in their server list. If you ever want to adjust it again, you can repeat these steps anytime. A final tip. If you're making a big branding change, let your members know with a quick announcement so they aren't confused when the name updates. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to change a Discord server name quickly and confidently on your computer.